Do you have a problem with technicians and other members or their employees putting their time sheets in on time? I know we all do. Timesheet by day, perhaps one of the top 5 most used panels in CWDash. Under operations, just simply go here, timesheet by day, and it'll show this right here. This is dynamically changed. It's real time. You go under here, you could choose the members, you could choose the date range. The date range can be rolling, which means it'll continue to change as the day goes on or the weeks go on. It raises the bar of accountability. It'll be real time. Put it up on a large monitor. Have it in management monitors as well. Is everybody putting in their timesheet in a timely fashion? I've said this before, and I know others have heard it, but we put this up a couple of years ago here at the MSP, and within 2 or 3 days, I overheard a technician say to another, "Hey, look, it looks like you only put 20 minutes in yesterday. That's because I had to do the rest of your work." So take a look at timesheet by day under operation. Huge, important panel. Get those technicians, raise the bar of accountability to put their time in where everybody can see it. Timesheet by day.